Virgin Mobile's eSIM offers a convenient way to stay connected when traveling internationally, but there are a few things you need to know before buying. Compared to other providers, Virgin Mobile's eSIM can be a solid choice, but understanding its features and limitations will help you make a more informed decision. First, Virgin Mobile's eSIM is great for frequent international travelers because it allows you to switch between local carriers without needing a physical SIM card. This is a huge convenience, especially if you plan to visit multiple countries. Unlike traditional SIM cards, eSIMs can be activated remotely, saving you time and hassle when you arrive at your destination. Next thing, Virgin Mobile eSIM supports many countries, but it's not available everywhere. Before purchasing, make sure the country you're traveling to is supported. This is a key point to check, as some competitors offer broader international coverage. If you travel to remote or less common destinations, other providers might have better options. The third thing, Virgin Mobile's eSIM works exclusively with compatible devices. You'll need to ensure that your phone supports eSIM technology. Unlike traditional SIM cards, eSIMs require specific hardware, and not all phones on the market offer this feature. Check your phone's specifications before buying. Another important point to consider is pricing. Virgin Mobile's eSIM plans can be cost-effective for short trips, but they tend to be more expensive for long-term stays compared to competitors like Airalo or GigSky, which often offer more flexible, lower-cost options for extended travel. The fifth thing to note is that Virgin Mobile eSIM doesn't require you to unlock your phone. This is a significant advantage over some other carriers, which require your phone to be unlocked before you can use an eSIM. This can save you a lot of trouble, especially if you're using a device purchased on a different network. Next, Virgin Mobile's eSIM plan includes data, but depending on your country of travel, the data speed and coverage might not be as reliable as other providers. For instance, while Virgin Mobile provides 4G LTE speeds in many areas, some competitors might offer 5G or more reliable data networks, making them a better option for high-demand users. The seventh thing is ease of setup. Activating a Virgin Mobile eSIM is a straightforward process through their app, but some users report that the activation can take a little longer than expected, especially when traveling to certain regions. It's a good idea to activate your eSIM before leaving home to avoid any surprises when you arrive. Next, Virgin Mobile offers decent customer service, but if you're in a time crunch, it might not be as quick as some competitors. Other providers like TruePhone are known for fast customer support, which can be a major advantage if you run into issues while traveling. The ninth thing, Virgin Mobile eSIM can be a bit tricky when trying to use it alongside a regular SIM card. If you want dual SIM functionality, you'll need to make sure your phone supports this feature. Some phones allow you to use both physical and eSIM cards, but if not, you may have to choose between your local SIM and the eSIM. The 10th point is that Virgin Mobile's eSIM does not offer as many options for customization in terms of data packages compared to other providers. While their plans are simple, they don't provide the level of flexibility or variety that you might get with providers like Airalo, which lets you choose data packages tailored to different countries or regions. Next, while Virgin Mobile's coverage is good in major international hubs, smaller regions or rural areas might experience more patchy service. It's crucial to check the coverage map for the specific countries you're visiting to avoid connectivity problems. Other providers like GigSky may have better coverage in rural or less developed regions. The 12th and final thing is to keep in mind that Virgin Mobile offers no long-term commitment with its eSIM. This can be a positive if you need a flexible, no-contract option, but it also means you'll need to renew your plan periodically for continued service. If you're staying longer in one place, a more permanent local SIM might offer better value. So, while Virgin Mobile's eSIM is a good option for international travel, it's not the best for everyone, especially if you need more flexibility or better coverage in remote areas. If you want an even better solution, check out our recommended alternative that you can try for free and see if it fits your travel needs better.